Oi Mzansi, the General Nengomasha studio bafethu. Today I'm your host. Bafana kaufela, we saw them. Mpethu DJ Fire mnandi.
Kitimiti Mr. Nambo bafana bawini mfethu.
Badlalile abafana.
Badlalile abafana.
Niyezwa Mzansi ujabulile DJ Fire. Mpethu Ghost studio, Ghost mnandi.
Intanga supermarket obvious. Intanga benga expectanga mina ngifuna ukukhuluma manga intanga bengiyibonile yawini. Ngibambe ngesurprise mfethu, beautiful from the boys. I'm very happy mfethu. Izwe lijabulile.
Jabulile mfethu, even Mexico is happy. Spethe no JV in the studio bafethu. Is our guest, no Ghost ngara. JV umnandi mfethu.
Ngimnandi nangomashe ngiyitumethe lena.
Abantu bayitumete studio not mabhakani amzansi bayitumete ndanga we saw bafana winning 1-0 against South Korea. Igame ulibone kanjani?
Mfana online ndanga like beautiful performance from the boys, I understand. Ndanga kumele ukuthi siyiblomele le game ngiyangithola into enjalo. By the time if we teach some of us were already like exhausted, young tour. Obviously, when starting 11, young tour.
Sure.
I was happy to see you really because we've been crying already. Really, I understand.
Yeah.
So happy to see talent on Bata, young tour. And overall, in fact, the performance in Tang, I think it was beautiful in Tang. Beautiful performance.
Yeah, but give us your analysis. Ngena, fire.
Cook, Baba, cook.
I'm not used to start because the water
I can cook, but
yeah,
I think
please.
Donna, you started very well, Donna. Beautiful performance from the boys.
Sure.
Lovely approach from the coach. In fact, we looked like we were going there to play football. In fact, you saw in fact, talent and talent and Sithole there in the midfield. In fact, and kudos to Sithole in fact, because from the game that he had, first game, I told you red card. To this comeback, in fact, I think he had a fantastic game. Talent in Bata as well. Second, when he played against Czech, he played I think 90 minutes. Wasn't really at the level that we know him at Pirates. But this previous game, in fact, I think he picked it up a bit with Pagamisile.
Sure.
Not that he's at that level, but I think he raised it the bar so much higher. Compared to the previous game. And then in fact to TLP as well, they move in fact to no Ocon. Clean job, in fact, clean job, in fact. TLP in fact to cleans everything. Gone. They are Europe, in fact, Europe bound they are fit. And I had a few rumors no good Monaco people were there. UJV na maybe uzo expand begathi nabantu be Dortmund bebakhona.
Uzo expand amaqedwe.
Ngizomkaya mangicede. But then I think overall in fact beautiful from the boys, and I think if you bonile ukuthi like ucoach beka defender kanjani.
Sure.
Like la emuva uMudiba no Mudawo bebangakhuphuki nje rough and tumble.
Sure.
It was there and there. And that thing is ukuthi emuva sibe compact. South Korea didn't threaten us like kakhulu. We were settled the move and fit too. And then fit right home right fit. Coco Melo.
Yama 2K.
Nah, you're going in fun. Look at the fit to the commentator in Tlanya Joan. Commentator in Tlanya the whole game fit.
Obvious.
The
decision
the number 10 in fact, the playmaker making, and he was making the team play in fact, like beautiful from really in fact, to put out a shift in fact to na cover mrawa maka in fact to ayapili in fact active unsithe maseko ikhaya khona la mkhaya nje outside foot nje easy nje ngathi akayenzi ngathi dlali one bar easy
Yeah.
At
At a World Cup.
ngibuye ndoda
Yeah.
le mfethu is going bafethu
Po.
hayi and then mina inhliziyo yami imhlophe mfethu ukuthi untwana usigayile indebe mfethu makavaye
Yakho seyinjani isikhulu? Inhliziyo.
Mina mfana ngakabe right.
hayi makavaye mfana mina akasikoloti next
Doesn't know us anything.
akasikoloti next
We are in the last 82 now.
What are you saying? Urukolota stuff.
It doesn't.
next,
Abanye abakhona
who's gonna give us the stuff?
hayi iphathi yakho idlalile mfethu
Who's gonna give us the stuff?
yeah
Hayi
gonna give us
bayaza
the
mfethu.
stuff?
This is
no
Pirates.
polipoli ukhona mfethu
Upolipoli naye uthi makaqeda ukushisa one season uzofuna ukuthi hayi must go to Europe.
Ghost.
you must go
Let me answer him.
yeah
There was a
JV,
time
are we
Urilan
running a tech shop here, JV?
there was a time
Are we
Uri-
running a tech shop?
there
Are
was
we,
a time
say, are we in the
Urilan
business of selling players or sending them overseas?
Listen to me. There was a time Urilangeko.
Yeah.
Mekhona bani?
police.
Lodge. Before police.
before okay
Before Lodge angeko mekhona uTeko singabala. So what I'm saying, even Urile ahamba mfethu. I country win something, I Pirates izosithola istar sayo. Yes, it can be like really. Uyangithola. But we're going to have someone.
but mina ngifuna ukuthi nokuthi avaya asasemncane yabona manje is the perfect age mfethu yabo perfect age makavaya if that opportunity comes vele hayi makavaya or kanti yabo Monaco le Dortmund hayi approved into
Approved Ghost. Hayi
mnandi kakhulu le yantwana mfethu
vumelana ngawo.
mnandi kakhulu umuntu ukuthi I think didn't have a fantastic game Apolis not that he was bad he was okay
just average.
you understand but yeah he wasn't at that level naye simjwayele kuyo and then uMaseko mfethu ayifayile yatla mfethu
Yeah.
ele yatla enenyawo zabantu ababhaya bathi like
He missed a lot of goals.
no he plays similar to Murray but for me ntanga like it's just there naja head uyabo ayile ntanga
Not for me. Eh?
He's a natural hit. I agree with you. I agree with you.
ayeza mfana
Athi jump ufire siphamana lisizakhe in time then sizoqhubeka ngaye uMaseko.
Yeah. Mfana ku summed it up so well, I understand. As I said, in fact, the boys, in fact, they gave it their all. I understand. You could see their lives depended on that game. I understand.
Yeah.
They knew there is no room for error. More players that are you're out of the competition. I understand. I think now Uyogo Pros gave them a pep talk before the game, and I was happy to see now we keep that element of fear in his approach. I understand because. We know Hugo Pros. You even obviously will get to him, but I even heard him on his interviews, and I was glad he listens to the fans because he speak a lot about back home at South Africa they were making noise. But when you take a moment and analyze, it seems like that noise it impacted him one way or another. Because in fact, I don't think if he didn't make that noise, this guy was gonna go this aggressive. So I think now to shout out to all the fans who put pressure on Hugo Pros, you understand? Because we know who to start on, you understand? But sometimes when his back is against the wall, you understand? He does the right things. Very, very, very very happy to see really because in fact I was talking Ghost before the game. With in fact we wanna watch the game, I now fana kiboni because in fact you wanna wake up at 3 o'clock and then Hugo Pros is deploying a defensive approach. You understand? Sure. Obviously, in fact, when you see that, in fact, like now, you will just think because either we're playing for a draw or so we are lose. So happy with the approach, in fact, individual performances. I'm not happy with a few guys, but I'm not gonna dwell on them because obviously it's a win. Sure. But I feel like you have to
just name them quickly.
You can. You can name them.
Yeah. Evidence my hope.
Sure.
And I said it, Mr. Mlam.
Yeah, one or tonight.
Yeah, I said it. Torre is probably going to get the first 3 chances.
He's gonna miss
all of them.
How many did he get?
I can count 2 from the top of my head.
Which one?
The one header, the 1-on-1 as well. A few other chances, man. He kept on fluffing his chances.
Ghost is reaching.
Those 2 chances were not good chances.
They were. That's why even Ghost, if you remember when he asked me, I said, and I always say that Makgopa plays so well, should just improve scoring. Uyangithola Ghost.
Yeah.
Le scoring yakhala. But I think ukuthi uMakhupa angene ehle kuqhubeka. Ngizongena nami
Ah, so
ngama-analysis ami.
distractile.
Okay, sure. What I'm saying for Makhupa ukuthi abe khona kulela game la izolo, it's also helped us. In what way? When we go forward, we had someone, lento engihlale ngisho, we had presence lapha phambili. Uyangithola ama defender wahlelanga Ghost. Even the press yakhe, he was good. Uyangithola his space between uMakhupa no Rile. It was not too long. Like sakhumbula nasikhathi kudlala uReynolds kudlala uForst. You'll find a number 10 ale ngase mapalini ethu. Then you'll find our striker le. I think that combination plays so well. For me personally, I think Makhupa, the spaces where he always find himself in when we need someone to help us in defending, he's there. What he should just improve is scoring. I still say that.
Mr. Mlambo is still talking about defense and Makhupa is a striker.
No,
okay.
he's
A quick question. If it, how many aerial? I need to tell presence. How many aerial duels did he win yesterday?
There were no too much aerial. My man.
Were you listening to the commentator saying South Africa now? Our sets are riding their first game. When they see where there's no space in the middle, they just launch it forward.
Yeah.
So those are aerial balls that Makhupa should be contesting.
Goes.
How
many? Like I need to balile ama chances. How many? Because mina ungibuzile ukuthi what did Makhupa did kulela game.
No, okay, no, it's fine.
Mina, in terms of the structure aga IP team. That's what I always the presence IP team. I like it defenders over simple.
Okay, what's presence to you, Mr.
Presence to me is when you give the team structure, when you initiate the press to the team. Good, okay, Bafetu, press a man. Okay, Bafetu, this is what we do. It's going to give you that. So what he is not giving us is
press, according to Mlam.
No, it's not press.
That's what he mentioned. Press.
It's not press alone. It's the presence. Understanding himself. If team him being there, just to understand the positioning in the game. That's what Makhupa gives you. What he should just improve, I still say, scoring.
Now for me, if it's evidence must improve on his entire game goes to that guy is tall, in fact, young tall.
Yeah.
He didn't even win one aerial duel, in fact. They kept on. I was like, this guy, what is he doing, in fact? That header that we won goes to. There's no challenge, you want to. Yeah. I can understand Ndwana, maybe Mr. Mlambo can explain or what was he trying to do there. No one can explain actually. Let me not put him in the corner. That one-on-one, I mean, goes to fit. And when I like this guy is a number one South African striker. Really, you put him there. And I said it goes to fit. He proved me right. But I don't want to dwell too much on evidence because we won. Until but me, to be honest, next game I'm hoping to see Reynolds on tour. Police as well, as you said. I don't think he had the best of games. I don't know, commentators sometimes, because those guys they were saying Police hasn't been having the best tournaments. I was like, these guys, what? Which tournament are they watching? Because the previous game, Police was our man of the match. He was running the show one turn. I don't know, Romobani, what was the issue? But he was a bit now Kobile Show and so. I don't know, maybe I don't know until I really don't know. Or maybe it's something that happened in training, but that wasn't the Oswina Police that I'm used to seeing.
Sure.
AP about Mudau. Shout out to him. I think he had the social media noise. He played so well. Even Mudiba as well. I think he improved. The likes of Begezeli, Okone, Standard. Talent Mbata, he was a bit quiet, but I'm not complaining too much about him.
Yeah. Hayi beke kamnandi DJ Fire. JV awusiphi esikhulu kancane sikuzwe.
Cooker JV cook.
Let him cook.
Hayi eziningi amangamlambo manje. Njengoba uFire shilo no Ghost Eliawona yabona igame yona bemnandi. Abafana abadlalile mina ngithe nje vele mangibona starting lineup kungena ama defender i7 ngathi hayi no.
We are on to something.
Ngiyangithola. Angavele ngabukela igame vele ngathola ukuthi hayi abafana bayadlala. Yeah, uyabona futhi nale ndaba le kaMakhopa well yeah wamesile ama opportunity but then nale goal lesikorile ma evidence played a hand in it towards the build up.
Yeah.
Ngoba le goal le bola le lumbokazi makal keeper from the back ulinikeza uMakgopa uliflipele siding njengoba izogcina sekuyi goal. So we have to also give him credit for that. Uyangithola. We can't only blame him for our missed chances.
Yeah.
So he did have a hand in us winning that game. So yeah, eziningi goes to Kataseka Shilo, now Shilo. So I'm not gonna repeat the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but otherwise, well done to the boys.
Thank you, JV. Ubeke kamnandi. Wana tonight. Mina Mzansi on my end. I'll start by saying, Indanga mina ngithini ngo9 and me sleep yangithola, so I can watch the game.
Yeah.
Because I was fatigued yesterday. I steady alarm yaka 10 to 3. Yimi loyo ngilele. Mfethu mangivuka. I think sekuyi half time. Like seyizoya ku half time. Ngithi what did I do now? Ngithi le game ngathi mengifuna so ngithi hayi. Sisi light iTV sibukele uyangithola. I think ngiqale ngo40 mangiqala ukuyibukela. Are you seeing the boys? The boys are coming uyangithola. The boys are playing well. Then ngayibukela yaze yaphela. But just to mention the way siqale ngakhona. I think we started the game so well.
So did you have a chance to watch it back?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the way we started in Tanga, the approach, and the way Coach Hugo Bruce was relaxed after the second game, ma press conference nama post match, I think he was relaxed.
Yeah.
He understood. I think the boys also understood. They found their feet. So it's okay. It's la. There is nothing ezoyenzakala. We are South African, we have to play like this. I think the approach was good. Ugosi na Ishiro, but I just need to give Yaya flowers like.
Yeah.
Because we are special mention. Because I think also the reason why we also defended so well yesterday is because Yaya was there. If you remember on the last pod, we were having a stress.
Yeah.
I think Yaya and Talent, I heard you saying Talent, you think he didn't play so well. I think yesterday was top. Him and Yaya, they complemented each other well. Yes, us going forward, Mesngana in the buyer, but you can't do shy. Nale Shango left as Mesa. That's one. When we have to defend, which we are compact, usakumbula mesivali ground sonke singwana sesi coming, really coming, all of them they were coming.
I agree. The combination ngambata no Sithole Spanide actually.
What I was saying to myself ukuthi umkwena if ucoach Hugo Bruce never umkwena fanele abe ne stress sokubuyela lapha, because those who baskaye something uyangithola. So why do you break something grand? Uyangithola. For me, I think uzo continue ngayo, because on that game they gave us everything, and the boys played in Tanga more than I expected. Vethu mengithukile because ukuthi hey bafana phela, all of us we were scared ukuthi hey lezi South Korea ziyadlala, but abalibonanga idlalo wayo izolo.
Yeah.
But bebazama le masekusele boma 5 minutes ukuthi hey sikhona. But mfethu bafana was there, Cocomelon mfethu at the world stage. Ngathi like udlala ku Pirates ku training ngadlala nemagesi. The performance which he gave yangithola. I think the boy naye ube wa relax izolo. Can we talk about Maseko? Yes, he got a lot of chances there he missed, but goes to Ibegin. That's a threat.
Yes,
Maseko first 11. I think you am edge umremi uyibeke kamnani.
Yeah.
I think you am edge umremi kakhulu. Speed, yangithola physique. So always there trying to shoot.
And left on the right side, so he's perfect.
And to score, let's go.
Sure.
That's why it is important. After all the misses, I think he scored. I think he is jabulile mfethu badlalile abafana. Okuninga manga ukushila uJV. Yeah, congratulations.
Do you agree with that, JV? Maseko is better than Murem.
Yeah, definitely. Umaseko man, on another level.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost similar to Muremi, but yeah.
Yeah. You know, now I'd say it's better than Muremi when he plays on the right, when Muremi plays on the right, one tour. When he plays on the left, in fact, I think Muremi had his best on tour. Maseko is Muremi for me. Yesterday's performance, I won't lie, in fact, I was not impressed by Maseko at all, in fact, up until he scored that goal. JV.
That goal ikhosa
Murray.
I was about to say that.
VAR, that's very true. Antoine. I'll give it to him. Yena ki threat Ndwana, but he is very, very wasteful. In fact, he really kept on. In fact, to namunesa. In fact, to tswara. In fact, king awat lokora tswara. In fact, it'll complicate things. In fact, mo ilong wabona is supposed to just shoot it where he's facing. Awat we kela is a straight mo defender thing Ndwana. Like mo batla o kena too many touches mo tamla release a ball. For me, Ndanga, no.
I can bring out a report where this guy was saying exactly the same thing about
Murray. Like I wanted to ask the same thing.
No.
I think you should give people or players a space to improve. Because of the first game against Shaq, mega card. Sakumbula Menkal, which Maseko is playing. Then on this one, I think as much as I may see it, Ubewa improve Ndanga. I think you should.
No, Ndanga. Remember, what's the conversation, Coast? The conversation is he better than Murray?
Yeah.
So now in his first few games, I'm not saying he's a terrible player. Or
no. I hear you.
In his first few games, I can't be conclusive and say it's better than. For me, he still have a lot to work on.
Okay, is Murray better than him?
Murray is better. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but I don't know. You can say that conclusive.
Yeah,
I get.
Yeah.
Yes, same way Lorna we can say that
Maseko
or ne Maseko fits what I want to
Sure.
more than Murray want to and Osheba refer to it's something else in to message chance 3 and then game me fair.
Sharp.
You missed 3 chances, you scored the 4th one. One to or
Then the team wins.
The team wins.
No,
For me,
no.
just to add, goes from what you're saying.
Yeah.
He's saying he's better than Murray when he's playing on the right. Have you seen him playing on the left?
On the left, no.
No,
I'm comparing him from what I'm seeing. I can't compare him from what I haven't seen.
Let me just conclude.
Who's the question right?
I have seen him. Uboy Puma ku Supersport from Supersport Sundowns.
Sure.
Jongo Baham. I've seen Maseko. I've seen him playing on the left. I've seen him playing on the right.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, he's better than Murray.
And we it's a good question. Uguti, have you seen him play on the left? Because now you said Murray is better than him on the left. But you are saying you haven't seen him play on the left.
No. I'm saying Coast Murray when he's on the left and comparing him on the right. So unless you guys were saying if Murray is on the left and the boy Elena is on the, if Murray is on the right and Maseko is on the right, he's better than him. If you're saying that, I would agree. But you guys didn't say that. You said Maseko as a player is better than Murray.
Yes,
so that's why I'm saying I don't agree with that. Because I know Murray on the left, is very, very lethal. The guy, I've seen him a few games on the right, I'm not impressed. That's why I'm saying I don't agree with that.
Okay. Nah, it's a matter of opinion.
It's a matter of opinion.
Yeah.
Simuveni kuyo leyo Mzansi, cela sikhulumeni bafethu ngeperformance omhlaba.
Yeah.
Bafethu JV. Bafethu, there was a Cocomelon yesterday. That young boy South Africa Ntanga, Oshaya number 10.
Yeah.
His name is Relebogile Mufokeng.
Yeah.
Cela usiphe mfethu ngayo umbone kanjani zona.
I really mfethu ijam ntanga ngithola really is our jam mfethu like at the well stage ntanga ngithola the young man is fearless mfethu ngithola you said it ntanga like ngathi udlale kahle ngithola into enjani like mfethu he finds himself in the, and I like the commentator but you know the commentator kept on saying mfethu look at this number 10 like he's popping in mfethu like just dlalisa ntanga. Like he was that glue, that made us tick, and one thing about Orele, he's not interested in going backwards and trying to, like stats of how many passes, none. When he's playing there, like we are here, he wants to find himself in these pockets. He wants to decide game. decide games.
Sure.
That's a big player mentality. In fact, for a young man that is only 21, imagine this guy, Mr. Mlambo, in the next 2 or 3 years. In danger. But it's going to be scary, in danger. So that's why I'm saying, for me, in fact, let's keep this generation of players for at least 2 or 3 years. Let's try and achieve that second star. It's no use for us. Because in I'll be honest, Mr. Mlambo. My primary rating, rating, like who I want to see success, who I want to see like going forward and succeeding. It's Orlando Pirates. Really, I like Cocomelon, but he comes secondary to my team. That's why I want him. Let's help this brand, and then once you help this brand, and then if it's fine, you can go. I mean, Mr. Mlambo, if you guys, I'm still saying, if you guys want to keep on our best players, sending them overseas, then you shouldn't complain when Sundowns go for that 3rd star, for that 4th star, because they managed to keep their group of players for a long time. Why can't we do that? I mean, we're a big team, the guy has sponsorships, is all over billboards. There's cars sponsoring
Europe,
everything, young John.
Then we just
Champions League.
It's in
Why are you rushing?
This was
it's not rushing. You
Yeah,
can't say it's
Rashid.
rushing.
This was the 25. Related season yakho.
Why? Okay, why
we had this conversation ngomboka.
Urile mfethu usky treble, usky everything. Bazamidi star asitholanga. I think now currently Ghost momentum yamvumela the way he plays. Uyangithola mela hamba umfana engaphandle so that he can learn new things. Sekafundile ngithi ku Pirates. I think he has to get a chance of learning from new players abe nezinto ezi-challenging ezintsha. Because kahle i-PSL is some challenge, i-Africa is some challenge. Abantu ekumele challenge
some challenging
abantu ekumele challenge nabo sikhala ngaboyamala ngithi waya ngayile ayosiprova kuboyamala sifuna ukuloko ukuthi imgcinile lana bomndawo.
I'm not saying he shouldn't go, young that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, can he at least give us 2 more seasons and see what we can do after? I mean, me and you can agree, Ghost, really. We stand a very good chance of competing. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm saying to you, can he please give us 2 seasons, one tour, and try and achieve that? If it didn't work out, and then he can leave.
No, I'm saying if we had this conversation, Gambo, guys.
Yeah.
If the offer is there, let the boy go. It's not like we will now be in crumbles.
Sure.
We still have players. We're speaking, so Pirates is busy signing players.
And goes,
no.
Speaking about the brand, Pirates is the big brand.
Yeah.
Before Cocomelon, before whoever. Even no Cocomelon ahamba. Sizoyithola enye jam mfethu. Sizohlala sinayo ntanga.
No, sithi siyamqina sithe Cocomelon sifuna uswine listar. Yathola injury la lifetime and then
yamthola.
Mara injury. Lele akadlala Europe wathola injury.
Yeah, but akilo opportunity elo ranking, it change uphilo ba. Wanthola ukidayile ngizwa.
So when you just concerned about the change uphilo ba.
My understanding to the main source of football ki di player.
Sure.
If you don't take care of our players, then what are we doing?
Exactly. And then you say, when you say, can we keep him for at least 2 years, he'll go the 3rd year, we're trying to achieve this with this group of players. Are you saying we're not considering the players?
No, now I've always said, everything comes secondary. The player first. If the player says, here's a move on the table, I want to move. Player move.
Okay, but that's another conversation. If the player wants to move, I'm saying now, as Orlando Pirates, we shouldn't have that mindset of let's push a relay to go overseas yet. That time will come.
No, but we're not pushing him.
I'm saying,
we're not pushing him. He's performing and his work is out there and there are people seeing it. That's why I know there are scouts from Monaco, apparently from Germany as well. It's because of what the work has been putting in. So if those people have interest, you put it on the table and say, here, these people, they are saying they want to sign you. Do you want to go or do you want to stay? You already know our plan. We want to take Africa and whatnot. But here's the offer on the table. The choice is yours. Do you want to stay or do you want to go? If the player says they want to go, let the player go.
The player
for now, it's not a difficult one.
Let's just be realistic.
Okay.
Let's just be realistic. Who really wants to go? uyangithola uyayithanda iPirates
everyone's
angeke
dream,
uyangithola but it's his dream to go uyangithola
Yes.
ayo that's why adlala kahle so a good talent deserves
But you
a
don't know,
challenge,
you
my
don't
man.
know, Mr. Mlambo. He wants.
Nah,
What if in his mind he's saying, "I want to go, but not yet. I don't think I'm ready
sharp.
yet."
That's another topic.
That's another topic.
But
So
what,
you can't say Uti. He spoke in public and said, "Nah, I want to play."
you
But
won't do
if we
that.
can
Nah,
just
we
talk in
know.
general,
Nah, man,
any
that's why I need to
player
realistic
wants
come.
to play at the highest level.
Wants to go, yeah.
The highest level is in Europe,
Exactly.
Not in
Champions
Africa.
League. One total.
Exactly. I'm not disputing that.
Yeah.
But for him, is he saying I'm ready now, I want to go, or is he saying I want to help Orlando Pirates achieve?
That's
one,
why
two,
we
three?
say
Yeah, but I
that's
get
another-
that's
that's
as long
another
as he hasn't
topic.
came out to say it, there's no way
and
we
he-
can
and he
know for
won't
sure.
say
One
it.
total.
Because-
That's why I
Exactly.
get we are just I get
won't
now
say
we are
it. We
talking from
just
outside. We don't know.
general.
I get. And we
That's
are
why-
saying
that's why-
in general, like you can
Every
say as a
player.
general statement, or every player wants to play in Europe.
At some
So
point,
so
yeah.
you can't say or maybe you are wrong or you're maybe like it's a good thinking to say really wants to go to Europe. Like anyone can think that or really wants to go to
Generally.
Europe. And anyone can say that about any player actually that's playing.
A player
Yeah,
wants
I'm
to
not-
prosper.
Hey, or
But
you wanna go forward?
let
I'm
me
not
just finish
saying-
my point. My point is, I think Urile is a gem. And this cut is Vumel. And Urile, why I'm saying he also wants to go, he saw Abonkota Bavai. Uyangithola. He saw abombokazi bahamba bafikele kuye. And they like udlalile isikhathi esibhaya. Lo muntu lo une 100 appearances for Pirates.
Over, yeah.
Yangithola intwana ena 21. He has done like enough. I think the boy should go and then find a new challenge. Lapha azokhona ukukhula khona. Just to also add ukuthi primary thing, it's a player. Player made ejabule. Pirates has always been there mfethu. Abokhokho omkhulu bethu mibalapha. iPirates ngeke iwe makuzohamba ukhokho Melon. Yangithola. But ukhokho Melon if uyavaya abroad uzosibuyela nezinto ezintsha nathi here in the country so that we can learn football. Next 2030 we can compete. Yangithola, we know we have Mbogazi, we have Maseko, we have Coco Melon, things like that. Yeah, I mean that's how I view it. If the boy it's his time kahle.
Sasithatha nesitha ngekho
Singasatha nesitha we are Orlando
96
Pirates.
isithathile angithi angeke.
Uyangithola.
that.
I think i-performance yakhe mfethu like has proven a lot of people wrong.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people they were saying he's not ready. I was watching something go TikTok. I couldn't send it to you guys. Ngikhohliwe why. Lama out, but there is this number 10 for South Africa.
Yeah.
The Orlando Pirates fans love him, but there's nothing which is going to do there. Do you think he's going to do something or they just love him? Ziyavumelana lezi azithi we just love really. There's nothing akazoyibeka ku World Cup. Baphi manje?
Bonke. Nabula Mthuthu.
Bekho mfethu. Abola Mthuthu yibo sebasho ukuthi starting 11 medibe kanjani. That's the story of another day with South Africans. Awufaka uJV la smooth.
JV no JV.
Ngena JV.
Yeah.
Performance ka Coco Melon but.
Hayi mnandi as always yazi on point now umbonile. Bekabhiza phakela uMaseko ngaleceleni hayi waya.
Athi
So hayi. Yeah akunama complaint lapha ya ukhekemeleni udelivery.
manje uthina ahlale ngahambi.
Obviously leyo mlambo I decision yakhe. Uyangithola.
No, like sengishelo wena generally,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
him.
Obviously mina generally I'd like him to stay but then if opportunity velile I doubt angathi hayi akayifuni.
Ngiphendule kamnandi JV.
Hey, ntwana, I'm not.
Kamnandi kanjani?
Lena ntwana, like I pretty much said the same sentiment, JV. But I don't want us to push that thing off. Really must go. Now I'm off the belief or really fit. Let's keep this generation for at least 3 or 4 years and see what we can achieve. That's all I'm saying. But it's fine.
Siyamuzwa ukuthi J Fire Mzansi. Sase bafana bafethu. We're just like commenting ku performance akarile. I think uMaseko bafethu ngeke sibuyele kuye because I think we have touched base on him. I-performance yakhe namanye ama-chance. We can jump straight to Coach Hugo Broos. What do you think the coach did well this time around? And do you think he has is the best coach for South Africa? Like, akekho omunye coach or better than him?
Yeah.
Since he started coaching South Africa.
Yeah, hey, in fact, I don't know that long history of South Africa and young tour. but in fact, the guy put us in the knockout stages. First time I'm telling Mr. Mlambo, that we shouldn't overlook that. That's a big achievement. Don't tell. Huge milestone, young tall. Although we can say, because I heard someone saying, actually, I think 2002 World Cup, we also had 4 points. 2010, obviously, we know we had 4 points, young tall. They say we had 4 points, young tall. So the difference between these years is that now there are a lot of teams in the World Cup. 4 points can get you through. If it's not number 2, number 3, definitely you're gonna get through. So in terms of that, young tall, you can look at it and say we have been doing this, young tall. But here's the thing, Mr. Mlam. Here we did it where it matters most, young tall. Sometimes you get these 4 points, but that also was good. Even if I win that game, I won't qualify, young tall.
Sure.
But here it was a must win game, young tall. So for to shout out to Hugo Bros, young tall. And I heard him saying that they kept on asking him, is this like your biggest achievement, young tall? He said to them straight to the journalist, it's amongst the top achievements that I've ever done in my career. The guy said, in fact, I was emotional in that game. I went down on my knees, young tall. Sure. So you can see how much it means to him, young tall, in Tunisia. So not only him, Lebo Helman, I think they played a role as well, young tall. And I think, in fact, his successor should be someone on the technical team, because, in fact, they should know by now, they know how, young tall, on how to navigate through these players, young tall, in Tunisia. It's about to leave. I'm not sure. And like Hugo Bros in Dona, as he said, conclusively, this is his last job. Squad. Because now he's changing goalposts. No, he's changing. Because they asked him a similar question. He said,
I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, the next World Cup, at that age, I'll be like, he said,
it's not 78.
70 something. Yeah. It won't be good for my health. So now he's sounding like someone who's starting like to see the success of Bafana. He's thinking to himself, maybe if I go far in this tournament, I can be able to take these guys on a run, maybe on AFCON again on tour. So now I can sense it's changing that mindset, or definitely is leaving. No, I'm just not reading between the lines. It didn't say anything conclusively on tour.
Yeah.
But Hugo Bros, in fact, too much as sometimes he has his faults, in fact. As we always say, no more hard way as well. Like any other coach, I don't think there's a coach that you can be always satisfied with his starting 11 and his tactics. But what matters, same as what, is that going over the line. In danger. So for me, in fact, he came as Hugo Bros 10 out of 10. In fact. And overall, I'd give him the all-time best coach.
Ghost, on your side?
All-time angiyazi mfana. Mara feri no he managed to qualify mfethu siyamkhaya feri yabo. But ukuthi ahlale nani mina ngikrende mfethu akavaya mfethu. Mayiphela tournament mfethu. Abambi flight eBelgium mfethu
Sikre Mzansi.
Mina ngikrende ngowathanda mfethu usitelelile ucedile ndoda.
Okay, ukudelelile makukupheni like ever since afikile.
Yeah, into in Kenya ukuthi manje because and that's the thing with foreign coaches, yabo. Because they're gonna come there and be arrogant. Hey, your football is terrible. Yeah, what your league is bad. Yabo. And then when they become successful, they want to boast now and act tough and whatnot. Yabo. I think we should just go for a local coach, in fact, and do our thing with our local boys, in fact. Here they are showing, or if they are playing with 90% local players.
Sure.
Let's just get a South African coach. Mtoloren Raziva, Ratlortel winner, and then Laji or arrogant, and then he can just talk how he wants. Wow.
Yeah. I mean, on my side, Bafethu is the GOAT of South African coaches. It's Balele, what Hugo Bros has done for us. Utole Bafana. I don't know, keepers Bafana, Bantame Baspa, Mebanga Ganan. I don't know abantu mebabukela ibafana mayidlala mebangakanani. I don't know abantu mebaya e-stadium makudlala ibafana mebangakanani. Before wafika wasisa ku-AFCON back to back sathola bronze. That's the first thing. Sadliwa, yes, school last 16, but now we have qualified to last 32. I hear you, Guti, we always got 4 points, but the way he did it, we didn't start well. Young Ton. The boys managed ukuthi basukume. Uyacabanga izinto masibheda. Only winners mfethu. Young Ton, like the GOAT Ronaldo. Yiba basukumayo. Young Ton. Only winners like the GOAT Ronaldo. Yiba basukumayo. Young Ton. But my thing is, Shuko Bruce is the GOAT of Bafana coaches. For me, is my number one. I do not know the others. But like for me, there is no one who has done this thing like him. And I think the football which the squad is playing now, and it's lipegegile. Yes, sometimes as you're saying, sometimes it's frustrating. Because Shuko is arrogant in. But I think critics are what makes someone to improve. We are going to be better. Because as in using the normal as criticize, but we improve on them. Which is kudos to him. Even for me, what I said, njengoba siku knockout mina kufana nokuthi we need for me sengifila nokuthi we need because the boys were exposed aborile baboniwe. That's what I was crying for. Aborile abombokazi baboniwe. So simsolani simsolani I mean uMadala ndanganyamupa noma nezinto zakhe ngithola but uMadala mfethu has improved our South African flag high. For a local coach, for me, not much.
So, Coast Ndwana, you're not gonna give him any flowers, this guy.
I did. Didn't I start by giving him the flowers?
What did he say?
Didn't I say he qualified? We can give him that.
HIV.
Did I not say?
Those are not flowers.
Oh, my face.
Like really against every coach. I can no, give it you kept on saying this guy must go. This guy don't quality the foreign coaches.
No, I'm saying this for Bafana. I don't want us to have a foreign coach because they behave exactly just how this guy is behaving. And I can't you because when they lose, they're gonna blame our infrastructure, our league, and whatnot, combat everyone. And then when they win, they want to post by Mr. Maeta, and then they act their peak.
But it's coach Shugo like that.
Yeah, he's like that.
Does he blame our infrastructure? I think that guy for me, who criticizes Ndanga. Sometimes I'm okay.
Okay, Maga criticize Upazi and Tanga. This little girl was that right?
But what's about okay, let's leave criticism and what. Let's look at the work that is involved. Okay, those are frustrating like every other person. Now I'm frustrated because those things but can we just park those things multi-siding and focus on him as a coach? As a coach. Squad, don't you think like he's a good fit for squad?
Another like I would prefer someone else that is South African. In my preference.
Sure.
I don't prefer Hugo Bruce.
But asibe realistic ntanga.
Yeah.
Sazama ntanga ama local asikise ukuvala. Sazama bo Shakes, sazama bo Pitso. Sazama, yangithola. Ayisibekanga ndawo. For me into engikhala ngayo ntanga. uHugo since afikile. Bheka ntanga sesibheka kanjani ngefootball yethu eSouth Africa.
So ntanga since ubukela ibafana siyacala ucoachwa yi-foreign coach.
No.
So why are you saying ukuthi manje ama local coaches wazamile and they failed and then like ngathi manje there's still more mfethu coaches to that you can even try and give them opportunities.
But hear what I'm saying. Okay. uShugo Bruce mina ngifila ngathi umkama flowers akhe usithole sikuphi yalikhumbula ifirst game lakhe ngizokukhumbuza ifirst game lakhe yazi sashaya ngakhe 5-0 I think imidlala neFrance nasikhathi ahamba ayosifunela ama game eFrance. That's what he first said ukuthi I want to these boys watch yena ngomlomo wakhe they're going to qualify for World Cup. We did. Gave us a bronze ntanga ye AFCON. Back to back AFCON sa qualifier.
Yeah.
Msolani Ghost mfethu.
Hayi nafithi I don't
Mina
understand.
zange ngithi ngiyamsola sengiexplainile thaka akusazi ukuthi ufuna kuthini. Ngithe lo muntu qualifyile ngiyamgaya ama-flowers mfethu. Usishayile isipani mfethu uyangithola.
Sure.
And then I told you ukuthi why ngamprefer as a coach mfethu. But yabo mawuthi ngimsola manje ngizofuna
Yeah,
ukuthi
but nah, I get your reasoning, but your reasonings goes like more off the pitch, I think, off the pitch things that has nothing to do with coaching. Now, I wanted you to judge him purely on his coaching.
As a coach.
Purely on that. Leave. When I as a coach, don't you think this guy is a good guy to take us somewhere as a nation?
Nah, I don't think so. Wabona le game tsabo Mexico di approach jwang wabona.
But the Mexico idla abantu abayengaki. Yes, we approach bad.
Yeah.
But the Mexico aware ukuthi wine wonke ama game on the group.
Yeah.
And he said it mawumamela ukuthi the first game uyangithola. Naye maybe mshayile like the ngathini. Isikhathi like ngathini what's the name? What's the name of this thing? Occasion.
It's the fear of Caucasian.
Occasion imshayile. Even the boys uyangithola. Akanayo experience. That's why ngisho ukuthi he was wrong ngendlela aqale ngayo ini but ntanga usilethile ntanga ku last 32.
Yeah.
So I think we can applaud him on the coach side of things on my end.
Yeah, me too, ntanga, me too. Definitely agree with you, mfethu.
Abafethu asimuveni kuningi sikhuluma ngomadala. Bafana versus Canada ngo 9 o'clock Sunday. Ulibona kanjani igame?
I won't lie, mfethu. I haven't done too much research on Canada. I don't know what to expect from them. But I saw the number 2 in their group. I think their last game they were beaten like 2-1 by Switzerland. Yeah. So I feel like to Hugo Bros don't wear that defensive cap. Go out there. The boys already showed you what they're capable of if given a platform. You don't have to change anything. Okay, I know I said talent and butter, this and that, but the guys you can see they have a bit of momentum. Sure. Just let them go. Mukwena as well. If you want to from a red card and put him straight in, he might be a bit rusty on some decisions. So my advice to Hugo Bros, leave Mukwena there, continue with the same starting 11, give Coco on that free role. Police him for two. Police in fact, lift up your head, young tall in danger. This World Cup is yours, in fact. These people are here for the taking, young tall in danger. I wanted to say something, but it's going to be very controversial. Pardon, Mr. Mlambo, can I just say it?
Say it.
Nah, not Abes, I want all. I'd prefer a policy to go than real. To be honest with you, young tall in danger. For me, if I prefer, if say a police, they are scouts, they are looking for him, I'd be able to go show the world what you are capable of. But really, I have that thing, man. Young taller, like overprotecting the young men. The young men must just stay here with us for a few years. Young tall in danger. But I prefer to like keep it fair. Hugo Bros, young tall. Go to them. Let's show the world what South Africa and South African football it's all about. Young tall in danger. So keep mfethu. Mbuyise mfethu. You saw mfethu. You had a decent game. Young tall in danger. I'm already excited. Let's go to this OFA. Young tall. Let's go to this OFA. Young tall in danger. Hey, hey.
Asingezwa ngakuye Ghost.
Mfana, I think umatara nje mela approach le game nje similar way si approach le South Korea mfethu. So let's not hold back mfethu. If ufuna ukubuyisa umkwena, for me akatonsi uyaya mfethu, because yabona lento ukuthi sibe nomkwena noyaya asidlali. Masina abantu abayithi asidlali.
Now what remember what I said the last time. What's Bamukwena, Jaden Adams talent. There's no natural number 6. I think Yaya gives us that, like that defensive, like protecting the back line on top. Sure. I think when we have him, we can just deploy a different approach. Unlike trying to always play from the back on top. let's launch when you get a chance. But in Dwana, Mkwena and Nighting, Mkwena and Bata and Dwana. I don't think it's going to work, Ghost.
I think it's gonna work.
It should be in talent.
Yeah, in talent.
Mina that's why ngithi in talent I'm happy, yabo.
Sure.
But if ngiyazi ukuthi angithi Tebza is like a first lineup player yakhe. Yabo. For me makazo keeper Umbatha faka uTebza. Then uTebza no Sithole. I've seen them many times.
Sure.
Not even once if they had like a good combination.
Yeah.
That one I know for sure ukuthi iyaphetha. Yabo. That's why ngithi if ufuna ukufaka udading uTebza ngamana sacrifice uSithole. Uyangithola. Then sidlale ngo talent u8 uyangithola. We need talent for me there.
Nah, ngiyakuzwa sikhulu. I mean on my side say siyabalanda laba. Abobani laba JV Canada ababa kuphi. Sazu Drake ithini eCanada. Thina mfethu we play football. Uyangithola and hayi ukuthi ngiyabatelele uyangithola. But I think isoba edge ndanga. Esidlule lapha ekungadluleki khona South Korea. Like ntangame bangekho. Ngekho bafike last 5 minutes yangithola. Uson asazi ukuthi make eqeda ungena second half ube wayapi wabuya ngabo 8 yangithola but I think Yaya and talent made iqale bona. Baya deserve ntanga and also the height ntanga basigayona. I think ngisibone ngamakhona it was marvelous to watch ntanga. Mesiblock yonke into mesiyibonda lapha ya. Cocomelon is there relaxed akana stress sokumaka. Uyangithola ulapha. And mina for me uApolisa ngamdonsa ngimphumuze kancane. Uyangithola. Ngenzani? Ngifaka umremi. Mbonile umremi ungena on the left. Ngithatha uMaseko ngimbeka on the right. Siyababheka for first half ukuthi bayenzeni because umremi as much as we don't speak much about him I think we impact grand leya game yangithola that assist intanga is beautiful.
But are you saying you don't know Police?
Yeah, kangena second half for me because yesterday intanga njengoba usho ikhanda mil phansi mina I think abantu ekumele badlale they should play on merit and they said they didn't give us leyo nto leyo which is Moremi and Maseko they gave us so akaphumule kancane angithi game in 90 minutes
but that's a decent replacement I won't lie but
I can't imagine because the game in 90 minutes uyangithola if siqala ngomremi sibeka police ngaphandle that means sasene assets ngaphandle singayisebenzisa so mina I'm judging them based on the game yayizolo I think the game yayizolo abantu abadeserve ukudlala umremi uyangithola because the way I impact the game the way Police impact the game ngayo umremi
I feel like Umbremi is more likely to impact the game Magabuya from the bench.
But now I used to always say that.
And we shouldn't forget, like I feel like Bafana, we know our go-to guy. It has always been a police. On top of one bad performance, and then we drop in our best play. And it's not bad.
Yesterday, Umremi, we always said, I always said, Magengena second half udlala better. But he proved us wrong uPirate. With normal qala Umremi, uyasiphakamisa isandla. Uyangithola. The different now njengoba ngikhuluma ngoApolice ukuthi icela ahlale ngaphandle uzonze ngena second half ukuthi there is Maseko there. If it was Pirate there was no Maseko. Mekazoqhubeka adlala. So mina what I'm saying, I'm not saying udlale bad, uyangithola. But I'm saying the people aba impact the game better. Izolo. Yibe kumele baqala, which is Maseko and Moremi. That's for me. That's how I saw it.
Put some respect on Poli's name. Like Poli has been on top of one average performance. Now we dropping him. Imagine what that will do to his confidence.
At the World Cup, is it?
At the World Cup,
Gents has been fair. Ngiyangithola. Ungayi ngama emotions ukuthi uyamthanda Police or what. Yesterday uyenzeni and what did Moremi did and asikhuluma ngoMaseko uzoqala Maseko uyasiqala I'm not saying njengoba simqalisa ngaphandle confident yakhe sayiyehlisa first game akaqalanga uqale ngaphandle second game wadlala kahle so mina I'm saying let's play players on merit hayi ukuthi ngoba lo siyamthanda lo usenzeleni izolo
you know what's the thing what I'm trying to get in Mr. Mlam to show you ukuthi for me Poli has a lot of credit in the bank, you understand? So we can forgive him for one average performance. That doesn't necessarily mean that the player who had an instant impact, now he must start and Puli must be. Mr. Mlambo, this is a knockout game. No, before you come in, this is a knockout game. Man.
We know.
No, relax. This is a knockout game.
Yeah, we know.
If we lose this game, we are out of the tournament.
We know.
And you say you wanna put a player who has been your best player Bafana all these years ever since Hugo Bros came into town. You wanna in that big magnitude of that game. You wanna put him on the bench for someone who came in for like 10 minutes and gave you an assist. Is that what you say?
Phela ayukuthi masibeka police ngaphandle. That's why le game is na 90 minutes is cool. And we're not saying ukuthi umrem makengena nayo yoboza lapha. Umrem uzosika something. It's not like sizomkhiphela for something engekho. What I'm saying mina, yes, he gave us those things, but what I'm saying, that's how I see it, Ghost.
Yeah. Yazi mina ngibona kanjani intwana ne. Umremi, I think mina ngim favor more kule situation. Let me just say kule situation.
Sure.
I'll start a police, then ngifaka umremi second half with the hope yokuthi uzoba nomoya.
Even that approach is
at least the opponent
yes,
sure.
So 100%
agree with that approach, Ghost. I think that will even his pace. And Lena vele ke mthona le moya. Phela Poli again. He won't give you that
fasting
he won't give you that. He'll always want it on feet and play technically as a one all. So I think even when you look at it like that, it even makes sense. One all.
Sure.
Part in fact, Ghost in fact, JV, maybe we can jump in fact. You put in a policy on the bench on a knockout game.
But uqalile
when
uqalile ngaphandle.
No, it's not a knockout game, Mr. Mlam. There's still another opportunity. But I'm saying now it's a once off, young Todd.
Asizwe ama views ka JV. Mina that's how I see it.
Mina I think the way coach amsebenzise ngakhona izolo it's the best way to use him. Mamfaka as a sub
Umrem. Sure. Yeah.
So going forward, I wouldn't change anything. I'd keep the police there. Then second half, ngifaka Umrem.
Yeah.
Ibeke kamnandi
yamthola. Sharp watch
uyabulala.
Premium analysis.
Uyabulala. Nimfollow ku Facebook, konke ubani la ku Facebook, animfollow ku Facebook. Konke ubani la ku Facebook. No man. Ebethu Mzansi uzokufollow.
Otobona G,
akafuna. Namuza amekele post akafuna. But ngeke ngiphikisane nani manje yabo. That's how you see it. Njengoba sisha silibona ngokufana. But mina that's how I see it. And then just last one bafethu sizobe
bekusho wena no uthi if it's not broken why change it.
Sure. Angithi siqale kanjani? Sigcine kanjani?
Like salad.
No,
relax. I can give Facebook or Twitter or Instagram.
But sigcine kanjani mfethu izolo? Izolo sigcine kanjani?
Kanje awumawuthi
sigcine kanjani?
Sigcine
ngomremi. Yeah, so that's what I was saying, and that's how I saw it, young Tola. But I dispute it and then sure, young Tola. That's your views, guys. And I said, "Born of fan of it, young Tola." But if it's not broken, why change?
Majority rules.
Yeah, it's ruling, and ngiyanipha.
Yeah, it's
yeah, police must.
I do not have to.
PFTV has decided.
Mamela, JV, I want to apologize for the opinion wishes I had. Freedom of speech. I want to apologize. Yeah, bafethu. Again, so basically sofing bafethu. Silibukela la. Ucabanga ukuthi vibe izobe njani ndanga?
Ndanga, you know, mfethu, premium place, mfethu, top notch, mfethu.
Yeah.
The sofing, you know, when you go there, he'll get so fast, mfethu. So fast
for
you need to secure a front place, mfethu.
Sure.
So that we try and keep them up alive.
Sure.
But top, did you see they put us on their promo on Instagram?
No. I just have to check that.
This guy's
You didn't see yourself
I
there.
didn't see.
There.
No, I didn't see.
You're trending and you're sleepy.
I'm just famous. Bafethu. I was sleeping. I know Ghost Megalele. Ndanga kudlala bafana. No Ghost Megalele.
Asika matresi.
Asika matresi. No Ghost Megalele. Kudlala bafana.
How do you sleep? And I kept on saying, you can't sleep.
JV, bafana uGhost ulele.
Yoko. Once in a lifetime, you keep on saying, I am saying why you go post. He'll go with 5 defenders. I'm saying, there's no way. There's no way.
Okay, sharp. Mara please intanga ngidlala bafana kumele uvuye intanga into lesigaba nsambi.
Mara nami ndanga like yabona nami ne I had that thing ukuthi mele ngibukele ne. But in fact, I had that thing with this guy might go with a negative approach and he might spoil my everything I YouTuber late and save this all trouble. Fela mfuthi la ke bafama ka 3000. Aka setala magaitsa mfuthi. Ngitotela chini.
You
Akire mfuthi akimi yaqala.
uyangithola.
Ana kuyayemela ke hotsatsa ke scheme aqala kubona scheme yakuyabona okay. At least akuyayemela 7 defenders.
It's an empora no ke tlore Aisha 2 o'clock go scheme ba fokisa robala the whole night and then I'm seeing 8 defenders there. I'm going straight to sleep. It's a waste.
Bana marele na online if nikiboni defender and then ra consider early. I was gonna switch off the TV and sleep.
Yeah, mara sisukeni kuleyo into bafethu basebenzile abafana.
Yeah.
Yangithola your lost Ghost when uyibone sewazi score.
Yeah.
Ngiyadlala.
Big fresh.
Yeah, but we've reached the end of the show. Andanga okay amabhakani something before sivaya.
So kubeka singayi content please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey, Mr. Mlomo didn't do the intro.
No,
There is score prediction, VF.
Score prediction.
Oh
okay,
yeah,
okay,
score prediction. Who goes first? Anyone goes to. It's friendly games.
Last time Benitez 2-1 nina ne?
Yeah, 2-1 when I'm 2-1 lost to.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And
Ntana hopeless. It didn't have any
that's
hope.
why I'm a
No, but I think you challenge. You go bruise me. I'm seeing him going there with 8 defenders, and I don't see us winning that game with 8 defenders. That was my thinking.
Alboni side elihle la lo mjita ne.
Ubani?
Like Hugo.
Umatada.
Yeah.
I'm interested to hear this prediction. They can fun from Ghost.
Yeah, sikubona ngugayo.
Awusikayo.
Yeah, le 1-1 so ithatha ngama penalty. Nje. Let's ithatha ngama penalty JV.
Asizi JV.
Did that. It's a whole
Asizi JV.
Mina ngibona ithunile siwina 2-0. Just unfortunate asidlali this time ngo 3 o'clock yabona ngoba ngibonile mazidlala ngo 3 Excel is dangerous. So
2-0 to us.
Yeah, 2-0 win definitely for us.
Yeah.
Sabangena momentum is high.
Yeah. I agree with JV mfana 2-0.
2-0. Siyabalanda labantu. Siyabalanda.
JV ungaseze studio kuna creativity manje yabona.
Unathi creativity ngento esiyonayo. Obvious. Usathi 1-1 nama penalty ufuna kuba creative. Ena ka predict ayibona.
Ngiyibona Pelicanada nayo ngayideleli. Akithi labo they are co-host.
Bana 4 points.
Konje bani Davis.
Le kunale esihluthu le ngathi ushaka le number 10 wabo.
Hayi leyo Davis khona le angazi ukuthi ushaya number 10 mara le defender manje bedlala lipaye.
Defender.
Oh yes ole.
And ngathi ngibone bamsapho on the previous game.
Abo Kim ama defender abo Kim nabadlala ku Bayern sibashayile izona. Sibafana bafana. Yeah. Mara Mzansi, I think this pod was nice bafethu. Ningakhohle ukusubscribe to the channel. Ni view bafethu ni like. Ukuthi ama light bafethu. Yangithola I content emnandi solo lokho sintishela yona. Asivaleni Mzansi.